going now? What's down, YouTube? It's your boy Tione coming at you with a video, my first video. How to get 360 waves. Anybody can get waves. Even Kevin Durant, little ant bite, termite my own head ass. Hey, he probably got the least breast hair in the world. But it's possible, he can get them. First thing you gonna need, a do-rag. Gotta keep your hair compressed. Gotta keep your hair laid down. I got a silky, you see, I got on that little purple thing, so I'm in there. Alright. Other thing you gonna need, a brush. I got 3 on them. This my first one. It's a hard brush. Second one, it's a medium brush. My third brush, soft brush. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a comb too. Comb just to lift up your hair, get down in your roots, and it help with your wave pattern. You're gonna need that. Let's take this do-rag off so y'all the waves, man. Alright, my head it's laid down right now. It's laid down. Hey, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all from the jump. I'm gonna comb my hair out too. See, we're gonna lift my hair up. I wanna comb it. Make sure you get it all combed out, man. It's gonna help further. It's gonna help. First brush, start with the hard brush. You gotta brush your hair every day. You gotta be consistent. You gotta do that. That's the only way you're gonna get them. Some people get waves quicker than others. All depends on your hair texture. I got a pretty good grade of hair, so it don't really take me long to get waves. Other people it might take you longer. Got the first brush. Make sure you brush the back of your hair, the back and your sides of your hair layers. Got to. When you're brushing the top, it may look like I'm going down to the side, but I'm really brushing it straight down. Soft brush. Got the medium brush. Make sure your hair brush real good. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. Let's see what I'm working with. Let's see if I get me a good camera angle. Get my hair real good. You know. See the sides. See the sides. We got the sides real good. Get the other side. Make sure y'all can see that. See the sides, man. Put them over for the tripod back. You know, I'm still trying to work my angles. Just not started using it. Alright, let me see. Yeah, we back in now. Another thing you gonna need, gotta keep your hair moisturized. I use the 360 style. It's pomade. Non-greasy. That's what it look like on the inside. Number like $2. You get it at Walmart, any little beauty supply store, anything. Another thing I use is African Pride Olive Oil Miracle. You know, this moisturizer lotion for your hair. You know, it help with breakage, split ends, dryness, repair dryness, damage hair, and it's non-greasy. You don't want no greasy products, because it's gonna go through your do-rag. Grease be everywhere, you're gonna be sticky, you don't want that. Another thing, you gotta keep your hair washed. Wash your hair. Wash your hair. You don't want no nasty hair. You got flakes, dandruff, everything falling out your head. Basically, all you gotta do is hair waves. You gotta brush your hair. Be consistent with it. You gotta brush your hair every day throughout the day. You gotta do it. Probably seems like a large task, but it gotta be done. You want waves? Gotta brush your hair every day throughout the day. Keep that up. You'll have waves. Some quicker than others, like I said. Hey, but you will get them. Any other questions? Comment at the bottom. Like, subscribe. We'll be back with more videos.